For thousands of years, dogs have offered protection, companionship, and love to man, their master. More than friends, more than pets, are the dogs who spend their lives bringing light into the darkness.
In the first 2 months of taking care of my son, something really important has slipped through the cracks. Okay, so it makes perfect sense for my dog to sit second chair while my wife and I take care of a newborn. We've been busy, really busy, taking care of a baby and moving into a new house. Our dog has had to hang out a lot. And that's probably just the way it is. Fair enough. But as an award for going through all of this and being such a good boy, Kolya, I give you your favorite meal ever.